Hi, hello, and a very big welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shrutika Mane, and I am so excited to be welcoming you on my YouTube channel. Honestly, I have been thinking about doing this for the longest time ever, and it just never happened. Like, I feel like I was always making excuses कि time नहीं है, equipment नहीं है, lighting नहीं है, भूख लगी है, नींद आ रही है, and it just never happened. And it's just one of those things that you make it so big in your head, so unachievable in your head, but somewhere it's still a goal and you just don't know where to start. I know there were a lot of requests through my Instagram page to do something long form, to talk a bit more, to open up a bit more about my experiences, and if there is anything more that I have to share. And I guarantee you there's a lot. So a big welcome. So today I was like, I'm gonna take out this Canon camera of mine. It's literally been sitting eating dust in the corner of my apartment. And I took it out. I was like, how do I make this work? How do I connect it to my laptop? How do I fix the lighting? How do I get ready for this? How do I write a script? And I just was like, fine, even if it's terrible, even if it's only 5% as good as I imagine it to be, that's fine. We'll at least start, and it's just a beginning. But if you don't know me already, welcome. My name is Shrutika Mane. I do have an Instagram page and I create a lot of content on there. I try to post consistently every single day, but that content is very centric to my corporate life, my day-to-day routine, my morning routines, my evening routines, lifestyle, fashion, beauty, a bit of everything. But I think for the most part, you'll see me vlogging my day and sharing little things about my day that I hope will bring some joy to you and will make you feel like going about your day with the same level of joy and enthusiasm as I try to do. Although I must admit, not all days look the same. But for the most part, I try to keep a happy spirit and enjoy what I have in the current moment. क्योंकि कल का किसको क्या पता. So, on that note, I think I'll just quickly do a little introduction to me if you're new to me entirely. And then I kind of want to leave you with the feeling of what you can expect out of this YouTube channel. I hope to show up here at least, I don't know, once a week, twice a week. Let's see how it goes. I was born in the UK and then I was in India for a good 9 to 10 years in Mumbai. And I moved to Australia in 2015 with my family. And ever since, there's a few things that I've done. Bachpan se I've always had my hands in lots of different cookie jars. But I got into television because I had this kida of getting into screen and TV and maybe films one day, and I wanted to become this Bollywood actress. वो तो obviously हुआ नहीं, content creator ही बन गए. But उसी चलते I started auditioning when I was in Mumbai, and I landed my first ever role of being a news presenter for ZQ on a show called The Weekly Wrap. I had the best time of my life. I have such beautiful memories from doing that. It was my first time on screen, first time on set, an experience that I'll never forget. So that's where my journey with the camera and screen really started. I was in school at the same time, very academically competitive. And once I came to Australia, I entered Miss India Australia in 2020 and won the pageant there. And after the whole COVID lockdown washed away, in 2022, I got the opportunity to represent Australia after Miss India Australia at Miss India Worldwide in New York. So that was also a wonderful experience. Got to meet lots of wonderful women from around the world who are representing being Indian but overseas. And obviously there are lots of women who haven't really grown up in India but carry their culture so proudly in so many countries around the world. So it's a beautiful platform that recognizes all those women. I started public speaking when I was very young, and when I was at uni, I got invited by the University of Adelaide to speak at TEDx, and I delivered my first TEDx talk on the topic of conscious living, which is also something, if you're interested in that, I can definitely touch on that as part of this channel as well. It's about staying in touch with the present moment, not worrying too much about the future, not worrying about what happened in the past, just feeling one and centered with your body, with the present moment, with what you have, and finding joy in the little things, which is also what my Instagram page is about. So follow me there if you don't already. Subscribe on my YouTube channel for more content that is going to mainly be in this lifestyle, wellness, mindset, confidence, building yourself, putting yourself out there, getting outside of your comfort zone. Things that I've done a lot. I moved out of the house when I was 18 and I have been living by myself pretty much ever since then. I live by myself even now in a new city in Melbourne जहाँ मुझे 1 साल जैसे कुछ हो गया है. I'm working full time, I'm creating content part time, and through all of these experiences, I think the one recurring theme is that I love sharing my knowledge with people. I love sharing my learnings with people. I love learning from other people. I love hearing from other people. And this lane vein of learnings is basically what is going to make this community so beautiful. I have a vision. I can imagine it. I know that we're going to become a beautiful group, a beautiful family, a beautiful community on this platform. And I think ये सिर्फ YouTube के through हो सकता है, where I'm here with you for longer, not just 60 seconds. You'll have me for at least a good 5, 10, maybe 15 minutes, maybe longer even, जितना मैं edit कर पाती हूँ उतना, क्योंकि editing ज़्यादा मुझे बहुत time लग जाता है, but मैं करूँगी and I will show up here a lot more. But if this is the type of content that you would love to consume, please stay, please be a part of this journey. Go subscribe to the channel. I'm sure there's a bell icon that you can click, so every time I'm on here talking, you'll get this very annoying notification to tell you that I'm here talking. And of course there's the comment section. I was thinking, बातें करते हैं, conversation शुरू करते हैं. You can leave your comments, tell me what you want to hear from me. Tell me if you have any questions that are unanswered. Tell me if there's anything about me that you'd like to know, that I can we can talk about and chat through and learn from each other. So as part of building this community, I'm going to leave it there, leave you on that note. Go subscribe, and until next time, take care and don't stop chasing your dreams. Go do that task that you've been leaving aside. Go do it now. Okay, bye.